Boy, catch up on YouTube now, you know, boy. Bless up yourself, man. Beautiful and blessed day. Welcome back to the channel, my beautiful viewers and subscribers. And we're out here on another adventure. You don't know what's going on, people. Yard and a bride, bless up on yourself. Now it's been a while, you know, so we upload a video, but you don't know. You get me? Been up and down, getting things together. But we're outside now, people, and I want to say, yo, big up to everybody. You know, we have viewed the thing, you see me? Big up to Father Fox, Randy, Johnny. You know the whole of the general them, you know? No, I'm not dead aside at the moment, but you don't know, you know. Yeah, man, we're out here today with T-Bag. You don't know him, you know. From Color Simi TV, Papi Spear Fishing from Color Simi TV. Same way, see me people, so we're up on a fishing adventure. So I want to see what go on as well. Yeah, man, peeps, so I don't know, say, I might look bag this, you know. I two rod them, you know, I two fold up rod them. You see what I say? Them here are my look thing them I go put on for fishing as well. You get what I say? Yeah, man. So this here now, this here T-bag rod, you know. See the peeps? Yeah, man. T-bag rod that, and this a puppy rod, you know. Yeah, man. So general them gone over there, so I get something. You see what I say? So but there peeps. They're in the town and not a be we are go Port Maria side go do some fishing. I get to say peeps, so that's the police station over there, so you see me? Newly open mothers over there, so you get to me say come back round, see the clinic the peeps. Yeah, man. And see the seaside, the over there, so. Yeah, man, people, we outside, man. Yeah, man, blessed love to one and all. Yard and abroad. Several bars, bless up yourself, Father Hotel. You get what I say? Yeah, man, Father Steve, everybody. You see it? So, what you going now today? Two big ram goat there. Yeah, man, they're ready to eat, done. Yeah, man, peeps, see them there. So we have to grab up some shrimp, you know? Yeah.
Oh God. Oh God.
T-bag.
That is it, no? No, do I take me, man.
Man.
What? You have to send me on that. Yeah, giant. No, on the wall. Nah, this a year, man. But to me on the pot. Here? Yeah, I load up a thing. Hey, I load up a thing, you know. I want to depart. Yo, hold on. Yo, I want to depart. Up on a little adventure.
Come on, babes. I know that fridge, man, I send it for shrimp in my house. I cook shrimp them. Come on, babes, so we reach up that's about this is shrimp when I have when I told you them shrimp and that's it. Them shrimp here. Some of them are cooked shrimp, you know? That's what I say. Come on. Cooked shrimp, them are not cooked. You see me? As you see on the package, cooked. You see raw shrimp?
You don't look like them. They're raw shrimp.
They ain't a skin?
Look so, see them?
How much you unpack of them? How much?
What will I see price? So price on the pan?
I scan them up because scan. You know so dear man. Bomba 4,000. 4,000.
Big animal. No, sir. I see 1 pound.
Then I'm going to find her.
Yeah. I said them
I'm
have
going
you.
to search one seafood world with that.
I said them have you.
You know them shrimp there. Glass. Yeah man people, so we get there. We get some shrimp in my bag, you know. We don't really get the shrimp we want.
Give me two there. Give me two there.
People, so I see a man up there and fish it up. No, we buy bait already, man. Yeah, you have bait. What that bridge you shake, some man? What you say? You sell bait?
No man, show me that bait there. I want to take it.
Soldier crab over there?
Yeah man, take him out. Take him out.
Alright then.
What is that?
Boy there! You're supposed to catch up on me. Catch up on me. Catch up on YouTube now, you know, boy there. Bless up yourself, man. Yeah, man. We'll be the puppy star. Yeah, man, peeps. So we are chat good on our destination. So we see the sea there. It was kind of but you don't know. So puppy and chops ahead. And we're there in a Port Mary, you know? Walk out that down. People abroad a long time, I know I see them with the board house or two, you know. Yeah, man, them here from Asian days, you see me. Bad dog over there, the bar. Yeah, man. Yeah, General Zane. Oh, I go on next up, see and speed. Yeah, man, so peeps over there, so we start the first joke. This is some rock. Normally, you know, fish live in between rocks, so this is how we want through, you know? Yeah, man. How far we want this touch? I don't know touch you. Seaside, my babes. Island over in the water, I'm on so some nice, you know, structure on the hillside over there, so you know, peeps. And I don't know the thing, man. You see them house, you know, some strong house, them survive Charlie, them survive Gilbert, so you know, so them are too dangerous, hurricane and Ivan come, Sandy come, and them still stand up, so the money I don't have to take off on the hats to them house, you see me? Slide through, you know, peeps. Yeah, see the rocks in between there. See, man, them are Bale's fence up here. Find some of the children. So I have one. So when I do me, I try to throw in between them rock kind of peeps. Fish must stay in between them done. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, peeps, so we're still out here without no success. So what I say, yeah, man, see T-Bag, see puppy down there, so you know, we don't catch nothing, you know? But yeah, see what I go on, you see peeps. Yeah, man. But yes, as me show me get a hit, so me I go rig up my line and head back, head down some more in a opening, because I don't know be a rock there. So see Papi hooks up there. Yeah man, so me I just rig up and head down the line, you know peeps? Yeah man peeps, so T-bag of a shocking line out, you know? But me, I go further and down the line, you know, because boy, amount of hook the loads there, so.
So you have your strong?
Look what opening here too much rock there, you know?
Alright.
Papi say he must catch something with film bait, but man cut up and put in here, so you see.
Right now, if you don't have me no catch up, me just stop through.
Yeah man, a lot of rocks out in the water, you know? Think that's something man catch. So place me there, I walk and go down, search me somewhere now. Bagger. Stone and something like that. The man see the road right over there, so see me. You get me? So far from the road. So Charlie, so people know they can't see the rock in the water, but see a little opening in here, so mine I tell me to try here, so rig up back my line, send it out there, so no pips? Yeah man. Papi catch a look fine as you know?
No, sir, I'm catch him. Just put on your rod right there, so and we never see a bait drop back in the water.
Chops catch a heel.
Yeah.
You feel
And
like
I throw off a yard.
Can't you bore me?
why people don't fish not too there, so you know? I tell you the truth.
You can't talk to me, my ducks, bro. You don't know fisherman.
You can't break my ducks, you know?
Where are you?
Right, that's so you know, right, that's so we can't show and catch it.
Go on, listen.
Yeah man. So peeps see what the problem now. We don't really catch nothing around here, son. Wow, you must drop a mountain. Burst line that gets into the community, so we have to leave here, so peep. We don't know how much how longer we can fish. Because this is never something we plan for still, but we don't know. Yeah man. We have to try see them here, so. We're gonna try reach up across this and I'll show you what go on here. Reach over where the sun there, you know? And then we'll try reach over where the sun there. And see if we can accumulate anything, you know? And then to the road then I'll try and find a way to go over there. You know what I mean? And then I'll try to find a way to go over there because you know? Puppy and tea bag up here, so. See them way up there, so the peeps. You want to catch nothing, sir?
No, sir, no. Let's try.
Yeah, me done. We're not try to go on, sir. Yeah, man, peeps, so we're up on the next side. Waters, I see what go on, you know. Yeah, man. Today is not such a great day fishing, you know. Anytime you come out with uncertainties, this is what happens, you know. Kind of stuffy too, you know, peeps. Come on. All I go on, people, is just come like me just a show, you know, what I go on in Jamaica, because none of them places don't look fit for fishing to me, you see it?
Try, you want to put on try.